Delta 838, fly runway heading contact New York departure, good day.
We had a bird strike, declaring emergency, Delta 838.
Delta 838, roger, you need to come back to the field, correct?
Affirmative.
Delta 838, roger, you can continue now, maintain 2000. I'm going to get further instructions for you.
For that, Delta 838.
And Delta 838, you know what, just contact New York departure, they're going to bring you back around.
Copy that, see you, Delta 838. Departure, Delta 838. I declare an emergency bird strike on departure, requesting a runway heading to 2000 for now.
Delta 838, radar contact and approved as requested.
Approved as requested, Delta 838.
And Delta 838, just advise when you can take a turn to the east.
Delta 838. And we can take a turn now, sir.
Delta 838, roger, turn left heading 110.
Left turn heading 110, Delta 838.
Delta 838, when able, say, tolls on board and fuel remaining in pounds.
$162 souls at 42,000 pounds, Delta 838.
Delta 838, roger, and did you want to hold out or are we looking to get right into the airport?
We're going to look for some delay vectors for now, Delta 838, run some checklists and then we'll come back to the field.
Delta 838, roger, speed your discretion.
Our discretion, Delta 838.
Delta's 838, turn right turn, heading 240.
Right turn, 240, Delta's 838. Departure, Delta 838.
Delta 838, go ahead.
We're working through some checklists at the moment, but we're going to be requesting 31 left for landing, just for a heads up.
Delta's 838, roger, just advise when you're ready and understood. Delta's 838, just when able, if you could give me an assessment of what's damaged and about how long you think you're going to be holding out.
Yeah, hey guys, thanks for the help. We had multiple bird strikes on takeoff right at about 1,200 feet, right down the right engine, failed the right engine. So we'll be a single engine landing, normal landing into 31 left. Engine is at idle, but still running at idle.
Delta 838, thank you very much.
Yeah, we're looking at just finishing up the last checklist. We got some overweight landing stuff that we need to do, and that's the reason for 31 left, the longest one.
Delta 838, understood.
Thank you. With you guys, about 10 minutes, we'll head in.
Delta 838, roger. Delta 838, New York.
Go ahead, sir.
When you're ready, did you want to do the visual approach 31 left or the RNAV Yankee 31 left?
Is the ILS up or no?
Not right now, it's not. It'll take a bit to get that up.
Okay, we can do, yeah, we'll do the RNAV then.
Delta 838, roger. Whenever you're ready, just expect the RNAV Yankee 31 left.
RNAV Yankee 31 left, Delta 838, thank you.
You're welcome.
Here, approach Delta 838. We're ready for the RNAV Yankee 31 left.
Delta 838, roger, heading 040.
Continue on the turn for 040 Delta 838. And just for a heads up, in the event of a go around, we're going to need straight out initially.
Delta 838, roger, understood. Just be advised they are landing, let's see, at LaGuardia, so you would have to turn within 5 miles. Would you be able to do that?
Yeah, that shouldn't be an issue for Delta 838.
Delta 838, roger.
Approach Delta 838. Just a heads up as well, we definitely would like to have the trucks roll just in case.
Delta 838, roger. Delta 838, when able, left turn direct to Zach to join the 31 left on approach course.
Left turn direct Zach, join approach course for 31 left, Yankee Delta 838.
Delta's 838, cross X 2000, cleared, RNAV Yankee 31 left approach.
Contact 2000, clear for the RNAV Yankee 31 left, Delta 838.
Delta's 838, contact Kennedy Tower 1239 or 239. Good day.
239, Delta 838, thanks for your help.
Thank you.
Kennedy Tower, Delta 838, is RNAV Yankee 31 left.
Delta 838, Kennedy Tower, wind 2508, runway 31 left, clear to land.
31 left, clear to land, Delta 838.
Car 99, Kennedy Tower, proceed on to runway 31 left at Kilo Delta.
99, proceeding on to 31 left, Kilo Delta.
Delta 838, would you like to hold or would you like to exit the runway?
We're going to exit at Papa Alpha and hold there, Delta 838.
Delta 838, 31 left is not active anymore. Do you want to just hold on 31 left?
Sure, we can hold here, Delta 838.
838, hold on 31 left, and did you want the equipment to take a look at you?
Yes, if you could, please. We may have some hot breaks.
And tower on 9913, right 31 left is closed at this time.
All the extension all emergency equipment, Kennedy Tower, proceed on to runway 31 left at Papa Alpha. Aircraft is requesting an inspection of the brakes.
If you want to come by, it looks like they may need assistance. You can proceed on runway 31 is left. Hold short of runway 22 right at all times.
Kennedy, runway 31 left, closed.
Yes, it's closed.
Roger, emergency vehicle, emergency 31 left.
Unless you want to accompany to monitor 121.65. 121.65.
Delta 830 on a second rate. If you want to go to 121.65, you can talk to the rescue equipment.
12165, thank you.